Yeah, by now you know what it is, dog. Your boy Omar the Star, man. You know, a lot of y'all been talking about me like I don't hear it. But you got something to say, then just I'ma reintroduce myself and walk in with a limp slow. Pimp bro, nah, I get bucks a lot. I know it's winter time, but just trust I'm hot, stop. Now I progress. The rap game now is such a hot mess, but I monster like the Loch Ness. They ponder if he's real or not. See me shine and ponder if he got a deal or not. Well, yes and no. I promise I'm the next to blow. From the chest I glow. Call me radiant. I'm not stopping till we pack stadiums. Fill my bank account. Change my residence. Cash my mama out. But you don't wanna see me when I see contempt behind them grins. And jealousy's a sin, and you're hurting yourself by not letting me in. See, I'm at it again. Gym City state of mind. Fresher than the dope boy, steady on my grind. Now it's my time. Won't be moved, won't gentrify me. I paid my dues, got my proof. Came too far to lose. It's Tupacalypse now, I got the juice. Ooh, hey, cut it, I'm cool. And if you got a problem, just say it, my dude. Yeah, you know what it is. I'm back on my hip-hop shit, man. Rest in peace, Jake Dilla. Entrepreneur Negroes. Your boy Omar the Star, the Radiance in the building. What up, Mo Trizzy? Let's get it. Say it.